Like, are we working with really good data sets? Is there a way? I've heard from civil engineers in particular, like, once again, like 100-year flood data isn't necessarily great, right? It's something to work with, but it's not as expansive or comprehensive that we like. And I think a lot of times, like, and I'm guilty of this, you hear data set and you immediately, oh, like and I'm not saying the integrity when I'm quality, I mean like the duration, the extent, the consistency, all the attributes of like a quality data set. Is that in place with climate data?
So let me talk about hurricane data because I'm most
Yeah.
so, and this is sort of intuitive. Anything older is going to have less detail to it.
Yeah.
And even more, right? So like I got a chance to tour the National Hurricane Center once. It was like if there was a molecule that moved, it looked like they knew about it. The number of information, the amount of information that they were bringing in at any one time was just, I mean, incredible. 100 years ago, that was not the case. And so if you look at hurricane forecasts from 100 years ago, it was like some guy, the meteorologist in Cuba, sent a telegram to the people in Miami and said, hey, you just had a bad storm. I think it's going your way. They're watching the barometer and whatever tallest building in town, and they hang up a flag and they say, there's a hurricane.
Yeah.
Like we are worlds apart from that. And so when they talk about like data being not ideal, it's not ideal, right? Especially when you're looking at something like a hurricane, where it's not like your precipitation data, which you're collecting every day. You were collecting it every day in the 1800s too. And so is today's precipitation data more accurate than back then? Hurricanes, floods, stuff like that, like they're rarer. And so you're not collecting that data all the time. We have more observation, we have more detail, but it's not like, I'm reluctant to say that like you can't do anything. We are better at what we do today than we were